National Payments Corporation of India is an umbrella organization for all retail payments in India with the mission to touch every Indian with one or the other payment services. RBI is at the forefront of driving innovation in India. Along with Indian Banks Association, Reserve Bank of India set up NPCI to provide swift, convenient and anytime, anywhere payment services. NPCI is owned by the banking ecosystem with 56 banks as shareholder, consisting of public sector banks, private sector banks, foreign banks, multi-state cooperative banks and regional rural banks. NPCI has ushered in a sea of change in the payments landscape in the country. Since inception, NPCI has achieved several milestones of innovation through product developments. National Financial Switch, enabling cardholders to transact at ATMs across the nation. Immediate payment service, enabling real-time round-the-clock fund transfers. Check truncation system, enabling faster clearance of checks through electronic truncation via image transfers. RuPay, the card scheme which offers a domestic, open-loop, multilateral system which allows banking and financial institutions to participate in electronic payments. National Automated Clearing House, enabling banks, financial institutions, corporate and government to facilitate interbank, high-volume, electronic transactions which are repetitive and periodic in nature. Aadhaar Payment Bridge System, helping the government and government agencies in making the direct benefit transfer scheme a success. RuPay Ecom, to provide e-commerce transaction capabilities to domestic customers. Aadhaar-enabled payment system, enabling extended banking services through Aadhaar via micro ATMs. RuPay Platinum, an upgrade for debit customers offering several benefits including cashbacks and insurance. Star 99 Hash, a USSD-based mobile banking service for all mobile phones. RuPay International, enabled usage of the domestic scheme internationally at all Discover and Diners point of sale and ATM networks. Unified Payments Interface, a one-stop solution for interoperable digital payment needs. Bharat Interface for Money, a UPI-based mobile banking app for every Indian. National Electronic Toll Collection, enabling customers to pay tolls electronically without stopping at toll plazas. Launched RuPay with EMV. NFS, interoperable cash deposit services for banks, enabling their customers ease in depositing cash. RuPay Credit was built on the existing RuPay platform and it enabled banks to provide value-added services in a cost-effective manner. The RuPay Contactless is built to digitize low-volume payments and offer one card for all payments, including travel by different metros and buses, toll, parking and smart cities, besides retail shopping and purchases. Bharat Bill Pay, enabling one-stop bill payments of all categories on digital and physical enabled channels. Bheem Aadhaar, enabling merchant payments through Aadhaar. Bharat QR, created by 4 payment networks to drive interoperability among QR-based payment products of different networks. UPI 2.0 enabled newer features to enhance customer and merchant experience with overdraft facility, one-time mandate, invoice in the inbox and signed intent and QR. RuPay launched the RuPay Contactless Debit Card under NCMC program at Delhi Metro, enabling customers to use the RuPay Contactless Card for transit payments and for retail purchases as well. NPCI has built one-of-a-kind, world-class payment ecosystem that is affordable and accessible for every customer segment and every payment need. We believe in building products for every Indian. For consumers without mobile phones, we enable payments via RuPay, AEPS, Bharat Bill Pay, NFS, Bheem Aadhaar and NACH. For consumers with feature phones, we enable payments via RuPay, AEPS, Star 99 Hash, Bharat Bill Pay, NFS, CTS, Bheem Aadhaar and NACH. For consumers with smartphones, we enable payments via RuPay, UPI, Bheem, IMPS, NETC, Bharat Bill Pay, AEPS *99#, CTS, NFS, Bharat QR, Bhim Aadhaar, and NACH. NPCI has its products designed for each segment, serving consumer to business segment like Kirana stores, gas stations and more. Business to business segment like retailer to supplier or distributor. Peer-to-peer like remittances, business to consumer like salaries, public to government like tax, public transit and so on, and government to public like DBT, wages, social security schemes and more. Therefore, our product suite is well geared towards furthering digital adoption. RuPay, being one of the most prominent products in the market, has a remarkable amount of successful transactions and market share via different payment channels. Has a significant market share on point of sale and e-commerce transactions, and enjoys a noteworthy e-commerce acceptance and e-commerce success rate within all merchants of the market. RuPay customers can also benefit from global acceptance in 190 countries on Discover Network across North America, Latin America, Asia Pacific and Europe, Middle East and Africa. RuPay also has strategic partnerships with Japan Credit Bureau and China Union Pay in India to ensure better facilities and ease of usage for travelers visiting India from abroad and having JCB and CUP cards. RuPay customers can also benefit from global acceptance in 190 countries on Japan Credit Bureau network across America, Europe, Middle East and Africa and Asia. Under the One Nation, One Card program by NPCI, RuPay contactless enabled revolutionary multi-purpose card offers vendor-agnostic, scalable, interoperable, secured, user-friendly and cost-effective ecosystem of low-value payments to facilitate building a cashless transaction environment. Through a partnership of 4 payment networks, Bharat QR operates through a network of acquirer and issuer banks. UPI recently launched the new set of features for the payments industry, including mandate overdraft facility, signed intent and QR, invoice in the inbox and foreign inward remittance to further innovation in the country. With a strong network of banks on broad and multiple functionalities like send and collect for interbank payments, QR scan and pay, UPI ID as a secured payment address, linking of multiple bank accounts and more. UPI enables convenience for all. Bhim has a deep-rooted presence in the market with all major merchants ranging from lifestyle, shopping, retail, insurance, education, travel, entertainment and many more. With *99#, we are able to digitize the untapped regions of India by bringing access to transfer funds, check balance, get transaction history and change of PIN on feature phones. The Bhim Aadhaar app also helps in furthering financial inclusion, which helps merchants to accept payment by authenticating customers' biometrics, enabling financial and non-financial transactions. AEPS enables Aadhaar holders to avail banking services through real-time Aadhaar authentication. NETC is helping make toll payments on national highways cashless in India. NETC enables cashless travel across all national highways toll plazas, bringing in convenience to customers with faster travel. Bharat Bill Pay, with its unique, standardized and interoperable system, is revolutionizing the way you make your bill payments anytime, anywhere. NACH helps in making bulk transactions towards distribution of subsidies, dividends, interest, salary, pension and collections of EMI, insurance premium, SIP and more. CTS helps in clearing interbank checks through electronic image capture, thus making the check clearing process faster. NFS offers integrated and interoperable financial and non-financial services for any bank through any ATM with a huge network of direct banks, sub-direct banks, regional rural banks and white label ATM operators. It offers 10 different types of services including interoperable cash deposit, NPCI, recently registered in Limca Book of Records for conducting the 120 e-payment literacy camps on the World Literacy Day. NPCI's RuPay won the Scotch Award for Financial Inclusion. NPCI won the Policy Change Agent of the Year Award by Economic Times. NPCI's UPI won the Golden Peacock Innovative Product Awards for Business Excellence and Innovation. And NPCI's Bheem UPI and RuPay won the AFAC's Busiest Brands Award under the banking category. NPCI is paving the way towards a less cash society by providing secure, instant, convenient and affordable payment solutions for all Indians.